Buenas noches.
Buenas noches, Arav. So today we have only 4 of you, right?
Yes, ma'am. What do we do? So, what are we going to learn today in Spanish?
We are going to learn Los días de la semana.
Meaning?
That is the days of the week. Okay, tell me the days of the week in English, Arush. Tell me the days of the week in English. Anyone? Arav? Tell me the days of the week in English. Like what we have Monday, Tuesday, tell me.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Very good. Okay. So these are the days in English. Now we'll do the days of the week in Spanish. Okay. So let's start. We have to write Jyotishna, Arush. So Monday in Spanish is lunes. Okay, it's lunes. Monday in Spanish is lunes. Okay, you write it. Arush, Jyotsna, and Arav. Monday in Spanish is lunes. Okay, so we have lunes. So you like Mondays or you don't like Mondays?
I don't like Mondays. I like Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, you don't like. So detesto, word detesto is I hate. So the sentence here is I hate Mondays. Okay, this is for you. Detesto lunes. Los lunes. That is I hate Mondays.
Yes, of course, everyone will hate Monday because we will have to work it. We will
Yeah,
have to.
because it's a weekday. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then we have is martes. Martes is Tuesday. Arav, you're writing it? Arav? Okay, show me where you're writing, right? Okay, very good. So martes is Tuesday. Okay, so we have lunes and then we have martes. Next one is miércoles. That is Wednesday. Wednesday, okay? Wednesday is miércoles. You also have to write, also repeat after me, okay? So that the pronunciation gets better. Say miércoles. Arav, say miércoles. Jyotishna, say miércoles.
Miércoles.
Jyotsna, you?
Miércoles.
Miércoles, okay? You've written it? Okay, right. Then we have is jueves, okay? Today is jueves. Jueves is Thursday, okay? We have is jueves. That is Thursdays. Jueves. Okay. Then we have is viernes. What is viernes? Viernes is Friday. Okay, Friday is viernes. Okay. Then we have is Sabado. Sabado is Saturday. Okay, Saturday. And Jyotishna likes Saturday, right?
Yes.
And Arav, what about you? You like Saturday?
Yes.
Okay. So it's Sabado. The next one we have is Domingo. That is Sunday. Domingo.
Can you do it once again?
Domingo.
Ma'am, can you play the slides once again?
Can you play the slide once again?
Yes. From Monday to Sunday.
Yeah, I'll play them, okay? That's Domingo. Okay, now we'll do from months, okay, months of the year till days of the week, all together. You'll be able to see on my screen now. Yeah. So we have lunes, we have martes, miércoles, jueves, okay, sábado, domingo, and viernes also. That's Friday. And today's jueves, right? That's Thursday. It's not loading. I don't know. Okay, so we have sábado, domingo, miércoles. Repeat after me, okay? Me saying alone is not.
Yes.
Repeat after me, okay? Say lunes.
Lunes.
On your mic. Arav, you also on your mic. Don't close your mics. So,
Lunes.
say after me. Lunes.
Yes.
Then martes,
martes,
miércoles,
jueves,
jueves.
jueves,
Jyotishna, you also say viernes,
viernes,
sábado,
sábado,
domingo.
domingo.
Okay, so we are done with yeah. So Jyotishna asked me to play them once again.
And you guys have you also been involved in this call, the last call? You guys? So,
Ma'am, did you also come yesterday?
so my session will
Yeah.
be 1% in the call.
I was really getting confused that you came yesterday or today. I'm like, did you?
I'll also come again. Do you have problem? You happy?
Yes.
You're happy you're able to learn Spanish more often? Or you're sad you have to learn a lot of Spanish? We'll make it little interesting, okay? We'll play some games today. And those who are not here, they've missed the games. Okay. So I'll do it again for you, okay? Jyotishna and both Arush, you also. So it's lunes, martes,
Lunes, martes,
miércoles,
miércoles,
jueves,
jueves,
viernes,
viernes,
sábado,
sábado,
domingo.
domingo.
Okay, then we have is after domingo, we have is el fin de semana. That is a weekend. Okay, weekend is a holiday, right? Weekends are Saturday and Sundays, which are holidays. So that is a weekend.
Ma'am, there's still 2 more slides left.
What?
There's still 2 more slides left.
Yeah, that is the box. Okay, then we have is Monday to Friday. That are working days, right? You go to school from Monday to Friday. People go to their jobs from Monday to Friday. That is a duration which we are called weekdays, and in Spanish it is entre semana. From Monday to Friday, it's entre semana. Okay.
Ma'am, what do we say Saturday?
Saturday was sabado.
Okay.
Saturday was sabado. Okay. You've done weekdays, el fin de la semana.
Yes.
Write it down, the weekdays.
I've written it, ma'am.
Very good. Muy bien. Okay, this entre semana.
Okay, I have to write Monday to Friday. Also,
Yeah. Yeah, write Monday to Friday, and with that write entre semana.
Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Friday,
I think that is a good idea. Like we can just change, like rather than saying this is
Why
what
do we call Friday
will
as
not do,
Friday? It's
let's
like
say how they'll do
the
it.
day when it's
So
very
the
sunny and we
answer is
get all
that's
fried by
what
going
it
to the
was.
school.
Yeah, Friday. So Friday in Spanish is viernes, right? And the next one we have is free day, right? Every one of us likes free days. If we get a off or we get, holidays from schools, so that is a free day, and that in Spanish is el dia libre. Libre is free and dia is a day. So a free day. So do you guys remember colors or not?
Every one of us must forgot. Ma'am, Monday to Friday. I did not. N T.
Let's try to convey them that we are really putting some honest effort.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, so you've written it. Arav, written. Jyotoshna written. Arav written.
Finish right.
Very good. Then we have is ja. We have done. Okay. So it's okay. Can any Jyotoshna tell me the days of the week?
Yes. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves,
Yes.
sábado, domingo.
Our best.
El fin de semana, Monday to Friday. El
Yes.
fin de semana
And yes.
y libre.
Very good. Muy bien. Very good. Arav, now you tell me from Monday to Sunday the days. You have written, Arav, you've written?
Yes.
What do you think that?
Okay. So tell me what is Monday in Spanish? See, it's written on your screen. What is Monday in Spanish?
Lunes.
Okay, very good. What is Tuesday in Spanish?
Martes.
Okay, very good. What is Wednesday in Spanish?
Miércoles.
Miércoles. Okay, what is Thursday in Spanish?
Jueves.
It's jueves.
I think that's
Jueves. Okay, jueves. Not jueves, jueves. J in Spanish is
Jueves.
jueves.
Okay,
Okay.
jueves.
Jueves.
Friday.
if you put the event on the right side, then
Viernes.
Lunes.
Viernes.
Viernes.
Saturday in Spanish is Saturday.
Sábado.
Sábado.
Muy bien. And Sunday in Spanish is
Domingo.
Domingo. Okay, yes. Okay, very good. So now what we'll do is we'll do the parts of face. Okay, Arav, tell me the parts of face in English. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Ears, nose,
Yes. Ears, nose, and what else?
left,
Eyes, lips,
left,
forehead,
forehead,
cheeks, this,
this,
chin. Okay. Right, Jyotoshna. So now we'll do body parts, face parts in Spanish. Okay, you can see this child on your screen. You can see his face. Yeah, so we'll do one by one, okay? So,
El pelo.
wait. The hairs we have is el pelo.
El pelo.
Okay, you are able to hear that? El pelo.
Yes.
El pelo.
El pelo. El pelo. Okay, the hairs. Hair in English. El pelo in Spanish. Hair in English. El pelo in Spanish.
La frente.
Forehead. Forehead is la frente. Okay, Arush, Ara, what is forehead in Spanish?
Ores.
Forehead in Spanish is la frente.
La frente.
Write it down, note it down, la frente.
I'm noted it.
Very good, Jyotishna. Then we have is
La oreja.
la oreja are the ears. La oreja. La oreja.
Ore-
Muy bien, Arav. Yes, la oreja. Arav, your brother is disturbing you.
No.
Okay. So tell your brother also to study Spanish. Tell him that ears are called la oreja in Spanish.
I think this is the story and it
finished.
can be great product.
Okay, very good, Jyotsna. You're very fast. Okay.
La
se-
ceja.
What is ceja are the eyebrows, okay? This child is very cute, right? La ceja. La ceja are the eyebrows. Then we have cheeks.
La mejilla.
That is la mejilla. La mejilla. La mejilla. Double L in Spanish is pronounced as Y. You will not say mejilla or something like that. You will say mejilla. Double L in Spanish is pronounced as Y. So it's mejilla.
Finished writing.
Very good. Then eyes in Spanish are el ojo.
El ojo.
El ojo.
Am I finished?
Very good. Nose in Spanish, la nariz. Okay. La nariz.
La
Arav, you writing?
nariz.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Finished.
Okay. Then we have as lips. Sorry, not lips. Arav, what is nose? What is nose in Spanish? Jyotishna, what is nose in Spanish?
Ma'am, it's 8:30. Ma'am, it's not 8:30, it's 8:20. It's 7:22.
Yeah, it's 7:22. Okay. So Now let's play a short, small game and then we'll end the class. You have to match, okay? So till the time it loads, we'll revise. Nose is la nariz, mouth is la boca, chin is la barbilla, cheeks are la mejilla, eyes are el ojo, ears are oreja, and here is.
Yes, ma'am.
So we've done the all face. Okay, I've revised it.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arush.
can you hear me?
Arush, you were there in the class, but you didn't participate. May I know the reason?
Yes, ma'am. That's why, because I was in the washroom.
You were in the washroom for so long.
Ma'am,
Go for nose. Pero will go for the last picture.
Yes, very good, Jyotish.
Nariz.
Nariz will go with the last picture, and Boca will go with.
Go.
Arav, you also try. See, Jyotishna is giving answers. It's your turn. Arush, you too. Arav? Yes, so Boca will go with the
Boca.
mouth. Okay? Barbilla. Barbilla with the
Barbilla.
chin. Pelo. Pelo would be
Pelo.
head. Frente would be
Frente.
forehead. Sekha would be
For
Ceja.
eyebrows. Very good. We'll do one more. Okay, we'll play one more game. That is tic-tac-toe. Okay? We'll play tic-tac-toe. Okay, Arav? But we are going to play tic-tac-toe. Okay, we'll go with the easy level. So choose one. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
I want the sixth one.
Okay, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. Okay, now give the answer. Is it la nariz or it's el ojo?
It is La nariz.
La nariz.
La nariz.
Very good. Okay. So next move. So whoever completes the 3 lines first, Arav or Jyotishna would win. Okay? Arav, choose one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Choose one.
Ocho.
8. Okay. Now you also have to give the correct answer. Is it El Ojo or it's El Pelo?
Tello.
It's El Pelo.
Tello.
El
The answer
pelo.
is wrong.
El ojo.
Eyes are open in Spanish. Okay, no problem. So till now, Jyotishna is winning. So Jyotishna, your turn again. Choose one. La.
La boca.
La boca. Yes.
La
Okay.
boca.
Mouth is la boca. So, Arav, your turn again. Choose one.
Uno.
Oh no. Now again. El ojo or el pelo?
El ojo.
See, ojo are eyes. Here the arrow is towards here, right? So here is el pelo.
El pe.
Okay. Okay. So Jyotishna, your turn again.
I
What?
will have the ma'am.
Yes.
I will have like to have the what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would like to have the seventh one.
Siete. La boca or la oreja?
La oreja.
Yes.
La.
So the game is over and Krishna wins it. Arav will play it again, okay? Next time you win.
We are out of time.
Yeah, Arush. But you know, Arush, it's bad you didn't participate in the class. If you were here.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, I also have a class tomorrow. Okay, Arush. You should also do that same stuff in Spanish classes also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, adios. Buenas noches, okay? Good night, everyone.
Ma'am, today we have to do the craft making of peacock. Ma'am, we have to make the peacock today. Ma'am, I have called. Veena ma'am. Veena ma'am. Ma'am, can you unmute? Ma'am, today we have to make the peacock. Can I show how to make the peacock? Ma'am, can I show how to make the peacock? Please. Ma'am, you're on mute. Ma'am. May I show how to make peacock, ma'am? Please.
Veena ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, it's there.
But she's on mute.
I don't know why ma'am is not answering. And ma'am is not even on the video.
Wait, let me text.
What is this? Why is no one listening? Why is ma'am not listening?
Veena ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Josna, did Shashank do the class today?
What?
Did Shashank do the class today?
No. He came and he went away. He did not even join from his computer. Well, my computer is fully charged. It has come half charged. Ah,
So you're still there in your grandmother's house?
yes.
Okay.
I'm waiting for mom to answer. Then only I will do it. I cannot do it.
Texted ma'am. Then ma'am